All right, guys, we are here in Ellisville at Drew's house looking to do two systems, two coils, two furnace, two outside units. They are marked, which I'll show a video for reference. First floor, second floor. Draining to the floor. We've got humidifiers on the back. Going to be replacing both of these humidifiers with brand new ones. New drops on both sides. I'll walk around the other side so you can see it. Line set looks to be in good shape as well. It's running off the front and runs down about 50, I'd say about 35, 40 feet down to the end. So that'll all need to be flushed. Coming back in with 80%ers on both. So we'll need to replace just this portion of the vent and tie it in here. Cap will need to come off and get that all cleaned out as well. We're gonna do the 2.5 ton on the left, 3 on the right, both 80,000 BTU, 80% furnaces.